This season, Premier League present big games that are very exciting to watch. Not only as a team, the players also played well, especially in the attacking midfield position. Season 2020-2021, the English League is inhabited by many superstar players who are far away from the Spanish League, the German Bundesliga, and the Italian Serie A. The dominance of the Premier League has indeed been very long and will continue to dominate, even though the English team does not dominate the European Cup, but the English League is one of the best in the world, thanks to the competition of the best in the world of the English team, which is very competitive. In fact, this league is a league that has a very large audience and many football fans. Star players are always present every season, such as in the attacking midfield position, players such as Gerrard, Paul Scholes, Frank Lampard, and David Silva. They were the best midfielder of their time. They have a very important role in their team, and they even have successor to this day. Whoever they want to know, let's go straight to the number 5x Mason Mount. Mason Mount, this young Chelsea midfielder, is lucky to get a lot of support from Frank Lampard. He was promoted to the Chelsea first team even though he was very young, and he's played 17 games and he scored 2 goals and 5 assists. Among all the midfielders in the Premier League, Mount has the best finish rate. He completed 87% of his passing attempts. That note is better than Kevin De Bruyne, who only has an 81% pass completion rate, and he's also great at taking set piece. Number 4 is Matheus Clichy. Leeds United can currently be in the middle of the standing thanks to the role of Matheus Clichy. Bielsa, the coach, has juggled this team, and Clichy's play is very attractive and enjoyable to watch. Bielsa plays Barcelona-style football, namely tiki-taka. Clichy is the source of the creativity of Leeds United. He is the reason why Leeds United are the team with the 4th best attack this season. Clichy has the ability to create space with his move and passes. The 30 years old has scored 3 goals and 5 assists in 18 appearances this season. Number 3 is Jack Grealish, and this Aston Villa star appears quite consistently this season. Grealish has made Aston Villa to be reckoned with this season. They are in the top 10 of the standing with 3 matches remaining. Grealish himself is one of the most talented players in England and also has very good technique. His individual action often lead to violation. That's what made Jack create many opportunities for Aston Villa. He is also very productive for Aston Villa. He created 5 goals and 7 assists this season from 15 appearances this season. Number 2 is Kevin De Bruyne. No doubt this is the ability of this creative player. He is one of the best midfielders at the moment. The Man City attacker is very comfortable when playing with him because he can create space and his speed is very dangerous for the enemy. The Belgian started the season rather slowly, but he is slowly finding his best from to date. He played brilliantly with Pep Guardiola. So far, he has 3 goals and 10 assists in his 16 appearances in the Premier League, and it looks like he is going to have outstanding season this season. Number 1 is Bruno Fernandes. Yeah, this versatile player is arguably the most successful purchase of Man United in January. Since has a rival in January 2020, Bruno Fernandes has transformed into a player who has very important role in Man United. Last season alone, he led Man United to be in 3rd place in the standing, and now Man United is at the top of the standings, and Bruno has contributed greatly to the success of Man United. The chance of winning Man United depend on Bruno Fernandes, and this season his statistics are also extraordinary. He has scored 11 goals and 7 assists in 18 appearances in the Premier League this season.